We explained earlier that a cron job will be used to execute the backup script, which is located in the Postgres pod. In this section, we will deploy the cron job Helm chat, as well as learn how to edit the schedule and validate our backups before we restore in the next section. Switch to your command terminal of choice and run the Helm install command to install the cron job. After installation is complete, you can view it using the Helm ls command. So from here we can see a new Helm installation for the Postgres backup cron job. Now let's interact with the cron job using Kubernetes commands. Use the kubectl get cron job commands to see a list of all your active cron jobs. From the description of the cron job, we can tell that it's active and also that it's scheduled to run every 1 hour. But since we don't have that much time, we can manually edit the schedule to run, let's say, every 2 minutes. Run the kubectl edit cron job command to do this. The cron schedule is a bit difficult to decipher, but from this documentation, it has been explained that this runs every 5 minutes. That's why we made the change with similar format, but made it to make it run every 2 minutes. Ctrl S to save and close the file. Now after 2 minutes, we should be able to see the first cron job complete. Let's wait for 2 minutes and run the kubectl get pod command to see it. Our cron job is now complete. This means the backup has taken place. We can use the kubectl get logs command to see the logs of the cron job, to see if it was successful in the first place. From the logs, there are no errors. That means that our job was successful. Let's edit back our schedule to, let's say, every 30 minutes. Save it and close it. Now we are going to bash into the Postgres pod to see if the backup file was created. If it was created, we should see it under this backup folder. Run the ls command to list the files that exist in this directory. Perfect. Now our backup exists. We now have full confidence to test the restore in the next section. Let's delete the table that exists in the Postgres database. This table will be restored when we run the restore script in the next section. Simply run the drop command to delete the employees table. After running it, run the select query and see that the table no longer exists. Just to prevent the cron job from running again, to overwrite the existing backup, which is taking a backup of the now deleted table, let's go ahead and suspend the job by deleting the Helm cron job installation.